this lovely rainy Wednesday. I feel like it's been doing nothing but raining, and it's really starting to bug me. But we're going to keep it moving anyway because that's what we do. So today, like I told you yesterday, I was going to take, a quick break from talking business and starting a business, and we're just going to do a really quick DIY project for you guys, because of course this is what I love to do, and I'm also working on some things for this Sunday for our virtual online experience. So I just want to give you guys a few ideas of what you guys can do for your dining table, that you don't have to spend a whole lot of money and be really expensive, because sometimes it can be really expensive when you're trying to fix up your dining room and you have your whole table scape and you want to add different things to it. Those things can get a bit pricey, and I didn't know how expensive napkin rings were. They are very expensive, but I have I'm gonna do this tutorial for you guys so you can make your own napkin rings that are not so expensive, and you can create whatever it is that you like for your own table. So what we're going to do is start off with some plain napkin rings, and these are the gold ones. They have silver ones that they have at the Dollar Tree. These gold ones I picked up from Walmart, actually. And you get, I think, maybe about 6 to 10 in a pack, but it's only like $3 or $4. So these I picked up at Walmart. These they have at the Dollar Tree. And as you can see, these are wider and they're a little bit thicker than these. So sometimes you can get some really good stuff at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes the stuff is a little flimsy. So you have to be careful when you go. So we're going to work with these gold ones, because what I have is these little gold brooches that are absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to use these to add to my little napkin ring. So the first thing I'm going to do is take some bling wrap, and I'm just going to measure that to see how much I need to go around my napkin ring. And we're just going to cut that out. And the bling wrap you can pick up at Walmart as well. They also have bling wrap at the Dollar Tree, but normally they don't have it until around the holidays. So around Thanksgiving and Christmas you might be able to find it there. So yeah. So I'm going to take that around just to see how much I need, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut it. And now I'm just going to take my glue gun and there's no science to this whole wrapping this around. And again, it's very quick, very easy, and you can do just about anything you want. You can always find embellishments to add to your napkin rings. Now there you go. So you have a bling napkin ring, and just for 4 of these on Amazon, you're going to spend about $8. When you can do it for yourself and you can make as many as you want and you're not spending that much. So now I have my bling. All I'm going to do is take whatever embellishment that I want. Right now we're going into the fall, so if you want to use leaves or little pumpkins or whatever your tablescape looks like in your dining room, then you can find those embellishments just about anywhere. Michael's, Walmart, Joann Fabrics, any craft store should have them. So now all I'm going to do is take my brooch. Now the best way to do this, I'm just using my glue gun right now because I'm doing this online. But if I were doing this to have and to make it permanent, this is my go-to. This glue is absolutely great. I love Gorilla Glue. I use it for all different kinds of projects. They have this in wood glue. They have it in, in Elmer's glue. Gorilla Glue has become very popular right now. They also even have Gorilla Glue, tape that you can use around your house. So, and there you have it. Easy, quick, and will look gorgeous on your table. So now you just want to take your little napkin. You don't want that showing. Take your napkin. See how gorgeous that is? And just add it to your table. Okay? So I have some other stuff. Well, like if you wanted to add a shell, you can add a shell to it. If you want to add like little pearls or something to go around it, they have pearls at Dollar Tree. You can do that. They have little gems you can actually add around there. I mean, there's so many things that you can do with that. And it's so easy, so quick, and you can decorate your table any way you would like. And you don't have to spend a whole lot of money doing it. So that's all I have for you guys. Okay, guys. Hi. How are you doing? This is day 8 of our 21-day live challenge. And I said I was going to come to you guys with a quick and easy DIY tutorial. And you're probably going to hear a whole lot going on in the background because I have my grandson and he's watching Puppy Dog Pals. If I turn it off, he's going to be screaming. So we can't do that. Hi, Miss Vanessa. So I'm going to try to talk over Puppy Dog Pals while I try to do this, okay? So someone had asked me about this and I said I would go ahead and do it real quick. So the last time we did our little DIY tutorial, we did a lovely napkin rings for the dining room table. So I figured I would stay in that area, and we are going to do a blinged charger plate. And you can pick these up from the Dollar Tree. They are $1 at the Dollar Tree, $1 each. And then you can get your bling sheets from Walmart. And they have these at Walmart, and they're about $3.47, I think it is. But they have different sizes. They also have different colors too. But I always get these. They have the different sizes on the sheet. They also have sheets where they have just the one size. So if you wanted to do that. And then I'll show you another charger plate that I did with those as well. So for this one, because I wanted it to be quick and easy, I'm just going to use these larger gems. And these are self-adhesive, but if this is, if it's something that you're not going to be making permanent, then I would say go ahead and just use the self-adhesive gems. If it's something that you want to make more permanent, you know my go-to, Gorilla Glue. Okay, so this is just something that I'm doing right now for you guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and do this. So all you have to do is just pull your little bling gems off. And because this one, I want it to be quick, I'm not going to go all the way around because that would take a whole lot of time. So this one is just going to be quick. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to space the gems out. And it's just going to give your charger plate a little bling, a little glam. And it'll be just in time for Christmas. Because I know you probably want to set your table up for Christmas. And that will be just in time for Christmas. So all you're doing is just taking your gems. And these are connected. So all you have to do is pop them apart. And all I'm doing is just popping them on. And you don't have to do these in any kind of order. You can do them in random order. And these look absolutely gorgeous for Christmas table settings. And if you just have, if you're a bling girl like me, and pretty much everything around your house got a little bling to it, these will be perfect for that as well. So again, no rhyme or reason. I'm just throwing them on. And if you would actually look these up online, I think like a set of 2 or a set of 4 is like $35. No, I think it might be more than that. I'm gonna have to check that and see. Yeah, I think they cost a little more than that. But as you can see, you can probably get at least, let's say, if you got the whole sheet with just the larger gems and you did it this way, you could get probably 8 of these done. So you're thinking maybe about what, $1, $2 a plate? Not even. So yeah, but I'm pretty sure that most tables just have four settings on the table, so you could definitely get 4 of these done, like with no problem. And it will cost you little or nothing to do. So and that's of course what I'm all about, creating glam at a low price. See how quick and easy that was? Hi, Cora! So I'm trying to fix my lighting so you guys can see how nice that looks. And you see that? And you see how quick that was? So quick and easy. So you can make these for your table setting in no time and set it up real nice. Put your little napkin ring on. And there you go. There you have it. And you have spent less than $2 a plate. A charging plate. Now you can get a little more fancy. This is one that I completed earlier, because I actually have to do a set of these for somebody. So this is one that I completed earlier. So you can get a little more fancy and you can do these. And you're probably, with this one, you're probably going to come out about, I want to say about $2. $2 a plate. And I know for sure this plate here, online and anywhere that I've looked for, they cost about $9 a piece. $9.99, I think. Yeah. So there you have it. Quick and easy DIY. Look at that, guys. You already have your table setting for Christmas. See, I told you I was going to hook you up. And this is just day 8. Okay? We're going to have so many. The gems came from Walmart. And they have them in their craft section. You can find them by their where they have like the wood dowels and things like that. The charger plate came from the Dollar Tree. The silver ones they should have out now. They usually don't have them out all year, but they usually have them out around Christmas time. So you should get the silver ones. They also have them in gold. Actually, Dollar Tree has a number of different colors. They have gold. They have rose gold. I just found that. They have them in like a wood finish as well. I'm trying to think. They have like a paisley type. But it depends on which area you go to too. I usually go to the south side because when I go out there I can find more. Like West Dallas and Brookville. Brookville has a lot of nice stuff in their Dollar Tree. So yeah. So yeah, that was all I have for you guys. So quick and easy, and that will look gorgeous on your table. Setting up for the Christmas holiday. No, not for the charger plates. They don't have different sizes. They have just one size for charger plates. They usually technically all come in the same size. So yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that would look gorgeous on your table, wouldn't it? With you a nice little, mirrored runner in the middle. Yeah, I can show you guys about that too. Okay, a cheap way to make you a mirrored runner. I can show you a cheap way to do that as well. Alright, so thank you guys so much for joining me tonight. And you can join me tomorrow for day 9. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be talking about tomorrow, but I will be on here. No problem, Cora. Alright, y'all have a good night. And as always, be royale, be classy, and be creative.